have probably edited a photo at some point, but did you know there are actually 10 completely different types of AI photo editing tools, each one built for a completely different purpose? By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one is right for you. Let's get into it. AI Background Remover. AI background remover tools automatically detect and remove the background from photographs, isolating the subject with precision that would take a skilled human editor many minutes to achieve manually. Remove.bg pioneered accessible AI background removal, allowing anyone to upload a photograph and receive a clean cutout of the subject within seconds without any editing skills or software knowledge. The technology uses deep learning to distinguish between the foreground subject and background elements, even handling complex cases like hair strands, transparent objects, and subjects with colors similar to the background. E-commerce businesses use AI background removers to process thousands of product photographs rapidly, placing products on clean white backgrounds that meet marketplace standards without hiring large teams of photo editors. Portrait photographers use AI background removal to create composite images, placing subjects against studio backgrounds or creative environments without requiring an actual studio shoot. AI photo enhancers automatically improve image quality by sharpening details, reducing noise, correcting exposure, balancing colors, and bringing out detail in shadows and highlights that the original capture did not fully reveal. Topaz Photo AI and Adobe Lightroom's AI enhancement features can transform a technically imperfect photograph into a polished, professional-looking image by intelligently analyzing what the scene should look like and reconstructing missing detail. Low-light photography, which produces noisy, grainy images with consumer cameras and smartphones, benefits particularly dramatically from AI enhancement. Tools can remove grain while preserving genuine image detail in ways that earlier noise reduction technology could not achieve. The technology has made professional quality image processing accessible to photographers who cannot afford expensive equipment or do not have the technical skills to manually retouch images in complex editing software. Travel photographers shooting quickly in challenging conditions use AI enhancement tools to rescue images that would have previously been discarded due to technical imperfections. AI Photo Upscalers. AI photo upscalers increase the resolution and physical size of images beyond their original dimensions by intelligently generating the additional pixel detail that was not present in the original file. Traditional image enlargement simply stretches existing pixels, producing blurry results when images are enlarged significantly. AI upscaling analyzes the existing image content and generates realistic new detail that maintains sharpness and clarity at larger sizes. Topaz Gigapixel AI can enlarge images by up to 6 times their original dimensions while maintaining or even improving sharpness, enabling small images to be printed at large format sizes that would otherwise be impossible. Photographers who shot on older, lower-resolution cameras can use AI upscaling to bring their archives up to modern resolution standards, making older work suitable for contemporary large-format printing and display. Film studios and archivists use AI upscaling to restore and enlarge historical photographs and film frames, bringing visual heritage to modern quality standards for digital display and publication. AI Portrait Retouching Tools. AI portrait retouching tools automatically enhance human faces in photographs, smoothing skin texture, removing blemishes, whitening teeth, brightening eyes, and adjusting facial features, with results that can range from natural, subtle enhancement to dramatic transformation. Adobe Photoshop's neurofilters and dedicated portrait AI tools like Portrait Pro can perform in seconds the retouching work that would take a skilled retoucher many minutes of careful manual editing. Professional portrait photographers use AI retouching to speed up the delivery of client galleries, automatically applying consistent baseline retouching across hundreds of images from a portrait session, while maintaining a natural appearance. The widespread availability of AI portrait retouching has contributed to significant cultural debate about beauty standards and authenticity in visual media, as increasingly perfect-looking images become the norm across social media platforms. Wedding photographers, in particular, have benefited from AI portrait tools, processing hundreds of images from a single event far more quickly than manual retouching workflows allowed. AI color grading tools. AI color grading tools analyze photographs and apply sophisticated color adjustments that evoke specific moods, time periods, or cinematic visual styles, transforming the flat output of a camera into a stylistically consistent and emotionally evocative final image. Luminar Neo and similar AI color tools can analyze the content of a photograph, recognizing whether it contains a portrait, landscape, street scene, or architecture, and suggest or automatically apply color treatments appropriate to the subject matter. Content creators who need to maintain consistent visual style across large numbers of images for social media or brand content use AI color grading to apply uniform treatment efficiently without manually adjusting each image individually. The ability to achieve complex color grades that previously required advanced editing expertise has democratized high-quality visual storytelling, allowing photographers at all skill levels to achieve sophisticated aesthetic results. AI object removal tools. AI object removal tools erase unwanted elements from photographs. Tourists in the background, power lines crossing a landscape, litter on a beach, and fill the removed area with convincingly generated content that matches the surrounding scene. Adobe Photoshop's Generative Fill, powered by Adobe Firefly AI, can remove objects of any size and complexity from photographs and seamlessly replace them with AI-generated content that perfectly matches the lighting, texture, and perspective of the surrounding image. Travel photographers use object removal to clean up destination photographs that were unavoidably captured with distracting elements, removing other tourists from famous landmarks to produce the uncluttered travel imagery that publications require. Real estate photographers remove unwanted objects from property photographs, electrical boxes, garbage bins, temporary clutter, to present homes in their most appealing state for marketing purposes. The technology has raised important discussions about photographic authenticity and the ethics of image manipulation, particularly in documentary and journalistic contexts where image integrity is fundamental to credibility. AI sky replacement tools. AI sky replacement tools automatically detect the sky region of a photograph and replace it with a different sky, transforming a flat gray overcast day into a dramatic sunset, replacing a blown-out white sky with a vibrant blue one, or adding a starry night sky to a landscape shot in daylight. Adobe Photoshop and Luminar Neo have developed AI sky replacement systems that automatically mask the sky region with precision, match the lighting of the replacement sky to the foreground scene, and blend the result seamlessly. Landscape and travel photographers frequently encounter situations where the location is beautiful, but the sky is photographically disappointing. AI sky replacement allows them to create the image they visualized, rather than the image the weather allowed. Real estate photographers use sky replacement to ensure property exterior photographs always show blue skies and attractive clouds, regardless of the actual weather conditions during the shoot. The technology requires careful ethical consideration. In photojournalism and documentary photography, sky replacement would constitute image manipulation that violates professional standards, while in commercial and creative photography, it is widely accepted practice. AI photo colorization tools. AI photo colorization tools add realistic color to black and white photographs using deep learning trained on millions of color images to predict the most likely colors for each element of a monochrome photograph. Deep AI and Palette.fm have developed colorization systems that can transform historical black and white photographs into convincing color versions, giving modern audiences a more immediate and emotionally accessible connection to historical imagery. Family historians use AI colorization to bring life to old photographs of ancestors, creating color versions that make historical relatives feel more immediate and present to living family members. Documentary filmmakers and museum curators use AI colorization to make historical visual content more engaging and accessible to contemporary audiences who may find black and white imagery more distant and harder to connect with emotionally. The technology cannot know with certainty what colors objects actually were. The AI predicts the most statistically likely colors based on its training data, which means colorized historical photographs represent an educated interpretation rather than a definitive record. AI face restoration tools reconstruct and enhance damaged, blurry, or low-resolution photographs of human faces, recovering detail and clarity from images that were previously too degraded to be useful. GFPGAN and similar AI face restoration systems can take severely compressed, pixelated, or damaged face images and reconstruct realistic facial features with remarkable fidelity, recovering detail that appeared to be permanently lost. Families use face restoration tools to recover old, damaged photographs of relatives, restoring clarity to faded, torn, or water-damaged prints that preserve irreplaceable memories. Law enforcement agencies have explored AI face restoration to improve the quality of surveillance camera footage that captured faces at too low a resolution for reliable identification. The technology raises important questions about the reliability of AI-restored imagery. When AI reconstructs facial features from very limited information, the result is a plausible reconstruction rather than a guaranteed accurate record of what the original image actually contained. AI Generative Photo Editors. AI generative photo editors go beyond enhancing or correcting existing photographs to fundamentally adding, changing, or creating new visual content within images, extending scene boundaries, adding objects that were never present, changing the season or time of day, and transforming the content of images in ways that go far beyond traditional editing. Adobe Photoshop's Generative Fill allows photographers to extend the canvas of an image and have AI generate convincing new content that seamlessly continues the scene beyond the original frame. A portrait can be extended to show more of the environment. A landscape can be widened to fill a panoramic format. Photographers use generative editing to fix compositional problems in existing images, adding space around a tightly cropped subject, completing a scene that was partially obscured, or changing elements that did not work as intended in the original capture. The technology represents a fundamental shift in what photography means as a medium. The distinction between a photograph as a record of something that existed in front of a camera and an image as a creative construction is becoming progressively less meaningful as generative AI becomes integrated into the editing process. Commercial photographers and art directors use generative editing to realize creative visions that would be impossible or prohibitively expensive to achieve through traditional photography and production methods. That covers 10 kinds of AI photo editing tools we have for you today. If this video helped you understand something new, make sure you subscribe to ByteSimple right now, because next week we are breaking down 10 types of AI music generators, and trust me, you do not want to miss that one. Drop a comment below and tell us which AI photo editing tool have you tried. See you in the next one.